Hey everyone, what's up? And welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm doing another request, this time by Davalo over on Mixer. I'm a bit sad about what's happening to that platform, so I'm supporting it as long as it's still around. Yeah, Davalo asked me today to do Mercy from the Overwatch series, and yeah, I've never played the game personally, so I don't know too much about it, but I really like the character design. Sort of angelic wings and a big magical staff. That's all cool. Yeah, so that's all. If you see this video, I hope you like the way your request came out, and yeah, anyone else out there, feel free to leave a request in the comments. I don't have anything at the moment, so I might actually get to it. And yeah, so I'm just doing a rough outline over here at the moment, just to get her shape and sort of righteous looking pose with the staff and almost a hand extended to help you up. Well, Mercy is of course a support character, hence the angel theme working very well, I think. So yeah, she's got very sort of futuristic looking armor, very cool orange and white aesthetic that I'm quite fond of. You can find similar aesthetic in some other. I guess it reminds me of the one skin from Counter-Strike, the Asimov skin. That's her whole sort of look. I think it's very cool. Yeah, being a support character, always there to help you up, heat of battle. And yeah, props to anyone who plays support. I'm not particularly fond of playing support myself, but I've got a lot of respect for people that do, and I'm very grateful for them when they help me out. And yeah, getting the wings going here, just roughly sketching them out. There's a lot of detail in the wings, very sort of cybernetic looking. Very cool. Already got most of what I need. The other thing I wanted to talk about with this video is, Mercy is a support character. I think something important to talk about as artists is not to be too hard on ourselves. Put too much pressure on yourself to draw so many drawings a day, or to compare yourself to other artists who might be doing more or in your mind better than you are. That might not necessarily be true. Yeah, if you put your mind to it, you can really improve your technique. And yeah, I've really improved at drawing figures and people in general since I've started streaming, and hopefully, yeah, if you watch a few of my videos, maybe you can pick up a few things as well. And the other important thing I wanted to talk about was along the same sort of thought pattern, is not to be too hard on yourself if you aren't doing as well as you'd like to. Just keep drawing, keep putting pencil to paper. This channel is about the power of the pencil and art to change lives and to really do good things. Speaking of which, let me give you some more trivia about Mercy. Yeah, you might not think it, but she is, in fact, 37 years old. Can you believe it? No. Yeah, she looks very good for her age, and I hope I look that good at 37. Yeah. Kind of odd. I think they did retcon her age at some stage. She was supposed to be 34, and then something or other happened. Yeah, who knows? But yeah, also, Mercy has, in fact, helped people in real life as well, which I think is really cool. This little bit of trivia might come as a surprise to you, but Mercy has raised in excess of $10 million for the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. The way Mercy did this was, well, skin sales. And actually, I'd like to give props to anyone who went out and bought that skin. If I was an Overwatch player, I probably would have done it as well, because, I mean, breast cancer is a horrible thing. I personally know a few people that have had it. Many of them have survived, but some of them unfortunately didn't. So it's a great thing. If you want to see the skin, it's right here. Very cool looking skin. So respect to anyone who's got that skin. Yeah, you've done something good. So yeah, so it just goes to show that gamers aren't actually completely useless. We are valuable members of society. Yeah, so if you like this video, I've got a few others like it, so go check those out. And yeah, like and subscribe. That really helps out as well. Yeah, leave any requests in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video. See you again.
Treat your life like a computer hacker.